Namaste. Welcome to part 1 of the Shabda Nirnaya, the study of etymological derivation of Samskritam words. Samskritam words have deep meanings often derived from dhatus. Understanding how words are formed helps in grasping their true essence and usage. Now, let's take a look at the words we will be exploring today. We'll uncover the etymological roots of these Samskritam words and understand their deeper meaning. Gu Andhakaraha Ru Tasya Nivaranaha iti Guruhu. This means that a guru is not just a teacher but a guide who removes ignorance and leads one towards knowledge and enlightenment. Gu represents darkness and Ru signifies the one who dispels it. Together they form the word Guru, the remover of darkness. Mananat trayate iti mantraha. This means that a mantra is not just a sound or word but something that protects and uplifts through deep contemplation and repetition. Man means mind and tra means tool. Together they form mantra or a tool of the mind. Yujyate anena iti yogaha. Yoga is that which unites the self with the ultimate reality. Yuj means to unite. This forms the word yoga, the path of union. Dharana dharmaha iti uchyate. Dharma is that which sustains and upholds righteousness, order and truth. Dhr means to uphold. This forms the word dharma, which means that which upholds righteousness. Shikshyate iti shishyaha. A shishya is not just a student but a dedicated learner who submits to discipline and guidance to gain true wisdom. Shas means to discipline. This forms the word shishya, which means one who is instructed or disciplined. Let's quickly recollect what we have learned today. Guru Gu Andhakaraha Ru Tasya Nivaranaha iti Guru. Mantra Mananat Trayate iti Mantraha. Yoga Yujyate Anena iti Yogaha. Dharma Dharana dharmaha iti uchyate. Shishya Shikshyate iti shishyaha. Dhanyavadaha.